Hello children, today we are going to learn class 4th science reading lesson number 9 animals and living and surviving. In last class I given reading on the page number 75 and 76. Today we are going to read the page number 77. So children, let us open the page number 77. Page number 77. Adaptation by the feeding habits. Depending upon the food they eat, animals can be divided into the following groups: herbivorous, herbivorous, herbivorous. Animals that eat only plants are called as a herbivorous. Example: cow, deer, zebra and buffalo, etc. Their teeth are adapted to bite or cut off grass or leaves. They have sharp front teeth and large, strong, flat, grinding teeth at the back. They have long legs to travel long distance in a search of a food. Carnivores, carnivores. Flesh-eating animals or carnivores have well-developed tearing teeth. Flesh-eating birds like a eagle and vulture have sharp beaks and claws to catch other animal and tear their flesh. Omnivores. 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 Animals that eat both plants and flesh are called omnivores. Human beings are also omnivores. They eat both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. Scavengers. 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 Animals that eat and decaying flesh of dead animals. Flesh of dead animals and keep the forest area clean are called as the scavengers. Some of the scavengers are hyena and vulture. Parasites. 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 Some animals live on or inside the bodies of other animals for their food requirement. They are called parasites. Some of these are lice, tapeworm, hookworms, leeches and bugs. They have suckers to suck blood from their host. Adaptation by movement. All animals need to move to find food and to protect themselves. Birds fly in search of food, water and shelter. They are called aerial animals. Animals like monkey and squirrel live on trees for the protection. They are called arboreal animals. Some animals have hard hooves to walk on soil like a camel, deer and zebras. Animals like a deer learn to run fast to save their lives. Whereas animals like tiger and lion run fast to kill their prey. Adaptation for protection. Some animals have learned to protect themselves and live long. Let us know about some special adaptation. Camouflage. 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 The ability of an animal to change its color to blend or merge with its surrounding, making it difficult to be seen or spotted, is called as a camouflage. The Chalaemon changes its color according to the trees or bush on which it sits. Grasshoppers are green in color, which helps them to hide among the grass. Sticky insects look like sticks of the trees on which they sit, making it difficult for other animals to spot them. Hibernation. Due to extreme cold, some animals go into a kind of deep sleep called as a hibernation. Animals that hibernate are snakes and lizards. Migration. Birds migrate from cold to warm places in search of food, shelter, and to survive. Arctic tern and Siberian crane migrate every winter to our country. Fishes, houseflies, and frogs move fast enough to escape from their enemies. Keywords: vertebrates, animals which have a backbone. Invertebrates, animals which do not have a backbone. Habitat, the home of natural environment in which an animal lives. Camouflage, the ability of an animal to change its color to blend with the surroundings. Hibernation, spend the winter season in the state like a deep sleep. Okay children, so today's your homework is you have to read this lesson number 9 2 times. Okay.